PRCI is a tremendous organization, brings operators, researchers, suppliers together to really innovate and supply new technology, new approaches to really improving pipeline safety really across the globe.
So what brings me to the expo is essentially we want to show off our tools. We're new to the US, so we really want to get our name out there as well. And there are many good contacts and clients here, so we have networking opportunities. We can mingle, we can see other competitors, we can see a whole bunch of things here. So it's been good for us.
Being able to see demonstrations as well as just connect with familiar faces and update everybody on what's new. It's a great place to meet for that.
PRCI to us is a change in our industry. They're able to get all of these pipe samples so that we can learn and do better on our side. That way we can see what's out in the actual field and be able to teach our technicians to be able to get better and do better and get better reports.
PRCI is a huge conglomerate of operators, service providers that come together and try to improve our oil and gas industry with projects, NDE related, pipeline related with ILI tools, and try to come up with solutions to issues that most of the operators might be having in the industry.
I think PRCI is a fantastic organization. They do a fantastic job getting everybody from upstream, midstream to downstream together, just to do a lot of the research, a lot of the pool testing and all the resources that we put together as an industry through PRCI, I think is very valuable.
I truly believe when one pipeline operator has an incident, it affects everybody with public perception. So bringing everybody together to share learnings and drive the needle up and to the right is valuable for the industry.
We've been very fortunate to be involved with some of the projects that PRCI is involved with other operators.
PRCI provides the leverage we need to get to know all of the different operating companies and the associate members that are part of PRCI. So we look for them for direction on what the industry challenges are. It's been good to have that sort of starting point at PRCI to go out and find challenges.
I think it's awesome that different technology companies and operators are able to come in and pull different samples and test different technology on it. It's also a great tool for doing training and just kind of seeing how do we utilize this thing without actually having to go out in the field.
So I've been working with PRCI for about 10 years now on different efforts, and it's amazing the amount of material they have here and the amount of expertise you can get coming in and talking to people. I've met more pipeline operators working through PRCI than anywhere else in the industry.
The TDC, I think, is a very good place, central location for operators, a lot of the vendors to come in and meet, have discussions in their conference rooms, come out here and do actual hands-on with the pipe samples, going out to the back and do the pull test with ILI vendors. So it's a great location, great facility to do a lot of testing.
I love the TDC. I used to be a pipeline operator, and it was very difficult to test different inspection tool technologies to get product flow, different types and different measurement capabilities. But it's all available here in the test loop, and it's really easy to get access, book an appointment, set up test demos, and I think that's one of the really undervalued attributes of the TDC.
To get all these vendors together as well as operators in a unique location like this where we can see some of the equipment, we can see the pipe samples. It's just a great opportunity to, and it's right here in Houston. We can all kind of come together and meet for a few hours and talk about things that are on the horizon.
PRCI brings a lot of value to Phillips and to the industry as a whole. It helps us do research that we couldn't otherwise do. First of all, helps us get consensus about kind of what our priorities are, and then do the research to make that happen.
As energy becomes more vital, and at ExxonMobil we have two main goals, right? To increase energy affordability for the world and do it very efficiently. I feel like PRCI play an important role to be the catalyst to the industry.
I really think PRCI is helping us define the future of our industry.
The new technologies that are here are always interesting. The talks they give upstairs are always informative. It's a great way to just keep up to date with what's going on out here.
I have had countless conversations with engineering groups all over the world, and they mentioned PRCI. Your innovative research, it has helped a multitude of companies with their operations, reducing risk.
I've been in this business for 20 years, and in the beginning, companies didn't collaborate. Everyone was kind of doing their own thing, and because of that, there's a lot of variance in quality and the work that's being done. everyone that's at PRCI all has the same goals, to improve the safety of pipelines in the United States. And it's working for us. Just a great organization, and I don't know what the industry would do without them.